First, download the Rednote app from the Play Store. Then open the app to get started. You will be prompted to enter your date of birth. After that, tap Next to proceed. If you already have a WeChat account, you can use it to register. Alternatively, tap Other login methods to explore additional options. You can log in using your Facebook account, email address, or phone number. Choose the method that works best for you. From the pop-up menu, tap Agreed and Continued to proceed. If you haven't logged in with an email address, you will be prompted to enter one. Otherwise, select the email address you want to use to create the account from the list. A menu will slide up from the bottom. Tap the Continue button. Now, set up your profile by adding details, including at least 4 of your topic interests. Next, tap the Start Exploring button. If you would like to give Rednote access to your contacts, tap Allow. You can tap the Follow button to follow any of these accounts, or tap Next to proceed to the next step. If you would like to allow Rednote to make and manage phone calls, tap Allow. Follow the on-screen instruction and swipe up for more. Once these steps are completed, your account will be created and ready to use. You can now start exploring and sharing content on Rednote. So, that's how you can create an account on Rednote using your smartphone.